Now, the next thing we need to do is to remove the green screen background. That works pretty simply with the Magic Wand tool. Remember, some of you, if you've never used the Magic Wand tool, you may see this one called the Quick Selection tool. If you click on it, then you can click on Magic Wand at the bottom. And remember, you may need to adjust the tolerance a little bit. If you turn this up too far, it may actually grab parts of the person. But if you turn it down too much, it only selects a little bit at a time. So usually I leave it around somewhere between 20 and 30. And you can just click on the screen, and then remember to hold down Shift and keep clicking in different areas, and that will start to select more and more of the image. And you want to keep selecting, especially little places like this where it didn't grab it, until it's completely selected all of the green. Areas over here on the side aren't a big deal because we're going to be erasing that anyway, but all the way around the person should be completely selected. So you see I got a little placed here by my feet still. You can just kind of move the mouse around and click a whole bunch, and that's going to keep grabbing more and more green until you have the person selected completely. At this point, I can just hit the delete button on my keyboard, and that deletes all of the green. And remember, right now I have this white area selected, so to let go of that, it's Control D. And now I can use my eraser to erase these remaining places. Now right now my eraser is really small. This is going to take quite a while to erase. So instead, just turn the size up. For this, you can usually turn it up a few hundred, like 400 or 500 is fine. Even more would be okay. And now I have a nice large size brush, so I can just erase all of this much faster. Make sure your opacity is turned up all the way. If the opacity is turned down, the eraser only erases some of the image, but you can still sort of see it. Now if I erase it again, it starts to erase it more and more, but again, this is going to take forever. So just make sure opacity is turned up all the way, and I can erase all of this in just a second. So now I have just the person with nothing else in the background. And then you can move on to put in your own background and your own special effects and really start making yourself a superhero.